students. Today we will discuss NCERT Class 6 Science books topics, and today we are going to discuss Chapter 1, that is food, where it comes from. So let's start. After completing this chapter, you will be able to know different types of food we eat, food materials and sources, plant parts and animal product as food, plant part as food, and what do animals eat. So, what did you eat today? Any idea? Remember? So, maybe you eat idli and sambar, maybe someone eat fish curry, and maybe any type of curry. So let's play a game or an activity with your friends and your students, class of the student of the class. So I have created a table here. Some in one column I have written the names of a student, friend, and on another I have written food items eaten in a day. Suppose these are your friends or students, and what they have eaten. Suppose Ram has eaten rice and dal. What Arjun has eaten? Arjun has eaten idli and sambar. And what Atharv has eaten? Chapati, vegetable curry. And what Lavanya has eaten? Poha. In that way, you can discuss with your friends that what they have eaten today in their breakfast, in their lunch and dinner. Now, what did you find with these food items? So let's discuss. So our first food item is roti and chapati. And how does it prepare? It prepared with the two ingredients, that is atta, flour or water. Next is our vegetable curry. So how it is prepared? It is prepared with the help of vegetables, spices, oil and salt. Now our next food item is cheese, butter and ghee. And how does it prepare? With the help of milk. So have you think where do these ingredients come from? Yes, you are right. There are two sources, and either it is from plants or from animals. Yes. So can you tell me what plants give as a food? So let's discuss. Plants may give us grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits and etc. The more you can think of. And what does animals give? Any idea? Just think. Yes, you are right. Animals give us milk, meat, and eggs, and so on. You can think, and later on you can find more items. Now let's discuss details about the sources of food, that is plants, in detail. So parts of plant. Parts of plant, it is given here in figure also. So here it is flower, fruit, stem, leaf, and sometimes we eat the roots of also root of plants. Okay, this figure is also given in your NCERT book. So go through it. And now what we understood, that plants are the one source of our food, and the part of plant which are eatable are called edible parts. So have you understood the meaning of edible? Which are eatable, are called edible parts. Example of edible parts are stem, leaves, fruit, flower, etc. Now think of more and more food items that you eat that you eat in your food as a stem, as their leaves and flowers. Okay, now let's see some more examples. So some of the edible plants, I have taken two examples. That is, first one is mustard and second one is banana. Have you seen now? So mustard plant, it is many parts of the mustard plant are edible. Like some of I have taken two here. Like seed gives oil. In our home, all we have mustard oil at our home, in which we cook food. Ask your mother. And leaves we eat as a vegetables. Now next is our banana tree or banana. We eat fruit. We eat fruit of banana, and it is the favorite of all the children also. And leaves of banana are also used for the cooking. Got it? Now, animals as source. So our animals like cows, buffaloes, goat, and cock, what they provide us meat, milk, and eggs, and many more things are also there, so you can explore more. Now here I am going to discuss a special food, and you must have seen at your home that first one is your sprouted food, second is honey. So how the sprouted food is being made? These food are made by just put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them in a piece of wet cloth and set aside. Now, on the next morning, what you will see, a small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. This means these seeds are sprouted, and now you can eat them. You can wash them thoroughly, and you can have it with some spices, salt, and whatever you like to. Second is honey. Honey is also a very natural food, and it is also a special food, and honey is prepared by the bees. And bees, how bees prepare? Bees collect nectar, that is sweet juices, from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive, and it is sweetened in taste. I'm sure you all have tasted honey. Have a think, what do animals eat? So here is, I have prepared a chart. You can go through it. The what buffalo eats, what rat eats, what cat. And if you have pet at home, then find out what he is eating, what it is eating, what not. So you will find three types. You will find that some animals eat grass, some eat flesh, and some eat both. Like we are also animals. Human beings are called social animal. Okay, remember that. Now, with this chart, what did we find? What do you find? We find the three categories: group 1, group 2, and group 3. In group 1, we have the animals which eat only plants, and in group 2, the animals which eat only animals, and in group 3, we have kept who eat both plants and animals. So with this conclusion, what we conclude, that there are three types of animal. First is herbivorous, animals which eat only plants. Second, carnivorous, animals which eat only animals. And third is omnivorous, animals which eat both plants as well as other animals. Okay. Now, with this food items, we should also sensitive about the food for all things. That, do you think that everyone around us get enough food to eat? You will say sometimes yes, sometimes no. So we need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country, and it should be available and easily available to each each and every, whether it is child with any category, whether it is rich or poor. Okay, and always remember, we should not waste our food. Always respect the food, and that is that was all about your first chapter. I will discuss your exercises in my next video. Thank you.